Upgrade your stock front sway bar with this simple bolt-in replacement for the factory drop links. Left and right hand threads allows for a simple length adjustment to eliminate sway bar preload. Correctly sized, precision Teflon-lined rod ends for smooth and quiet operation, long life, and high reliability. The kit replaces the factory compliant drop links that deflect under loading and quickly wear out. No wear and rattling problems with these like seen in other designs due to the undersized or low quality rod ends. Stainless steel spacers allow for corrosion resistance and proper alignment for superior bind-free operation. The links precisely connect the sway bar for improved feedback and sway bar response. The factory sway bar connects to the upper part of the wheel carrier by the strut, green arrow. The drop link, blue arrow, connects to the sway bar via a ball joint on the bottom, red arrow. Safely raise and support the vehicle as well as remove the front wheels. Remove the 18mm nut on the top of the drop link, red arrow. Support the weight of the wheel carrier with a jack. Once the weight is supported, remove the top of the drop link from the wheel carrier. Remove the lower connection for the drop link to the sway bar, red arrow. Install the Tarett drop links. The stainless steel spacers allow for corrosion resistance and proper alignment for superior bind-free operation. Do not put any type of tape or Loctite on the threads when installing. With the car flat on the ground, you can adjust the preload out by adjusting the drop link end on one side. The front wheels need to be pointed straight ahead. With the locking nuts loose, red arrows, rotate the link in either direction to make the drop link shorter or longer, blue arrow. If you rotate the wrong direction, the preload will increase and it will get harder to rotate the link. Rotating the correct direction will make it easier to turn. At the point of no preload, you will feel the link be completely loose. The next step is to phase the rod ends so they don't bind. You can do this with the car off the ground and the wheels off for better access. Be careful not to rotate the links much and throw off your preload. Now tighten the locking nut on each link. Check for binding or contact with all the different sway bars on the market. There is no one setup configuration that works best for all cases. The link to sway bar connection may need to be on the inner side of the bar for some brands and the outer for others. Any contact or binding will cause unwanted noise and possible damage to the links. Make whatever adjustments are necessary. The C4 sway bars and struts have more possible variations and will take more time to set up properly. Torque all hardware to 50 Newton meters or 37 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.